Once again, my apologies for not being a proper videographer and having a proper professional setup. Just want to show you how the fountains run. So you'll have to forgive the surroundings if you want. This is the Arctic blue glaze in the water table design. Thus it is called the Arctic blue water table. It's pretty, I think. Very nice sounds. You can turn it down for essentially a silent operation. Removable adjustable pump. Handmade, Foodsafe. That means more than not having lead in the glaze. It means not having too many or too much of or the wrong kind of colorants. Available at thirstycatfountains.com.